Hello Kaiju fans on YouTube, it's me again, Godzilla80, with my new toy review of Geronimon, the leader of some Kaijus in the Ultraman series. Some Kaijus, that was Duraco and Teleston. They fought together and the Space Patrol beat them, and then comes Geronimon and fight the Space Patrol. When Geronimon came, then sure Ultraman is there. It's a good size, a little bit small, but the feathers are very high, and that's his funniest weapons. He can shoot his feathers on Ultraman or on enemy, and he looks like the Nicholas with his Bart here. Yes, it's an old kaiju, an old monster, I think. And there's a squishy vinyl mold here, vinyl, yes, black vinyl with orange stripes and colored feathers, blue, red and white. The articulation, arms can move 360, the legs can move 362, the tail can move also 360 degrees. Head cannot move. Here's with the body mold. This is a new version of Geronimon. The old one I had for sale. It was very ugly. This figure is very pretty, I must say. It's good. Looks like in the series. It's from 2006 from Bandai. Sure, Bandai, ever Bandai. This is the trading card for this figure. You have 1000 in attack, 800 in defense, and 800 in speed, I think. And here's the back of this deck. This trading card. The front. And here is the tag. He is the number 8 in the Ultramonster series of Ultraman. Front and the back. I think he is a very detailed, good detailed figure. You can see the suit shapes here, and the raw skin, it's a great figure, one of my best. I think I give him 5 to 5, and good condition, very good condition. And I will next time I bring you Giras from the Ultraman series. Okay guys, bye.